In this video, I will show you how to combine two measures in one chart in Tableau. First, log into your Tableau account. Go to the left side of your screen and locate Order Date. Then, click and hold onto it and drag it to the box next to Columns. Next, locate Sum, Profit, and Sum Sales in the menu list. Then, click on Order Date at the top to bring out the drop-down menu. And in here, click on Continuous to adjust how your data appears on the axis. On the left side, under Marks, click on Automatic. From here, select Line to display your data as a line chart. Now, go to the top and click on Sum Sales to bring out another drop-down menu. Then click on Dual Axis. You will now see both measures combined in one chart on your graph board. And that's how to combine two measures in one chart in Tableau.